This is 3C. Find the absolute minimum of f for this interval. Okay, I start by remembering, if I'm trying to find the absolute minimum of f, I do not want to pay attention to f. I want to pay attention to f prime. And I must tell the grader that I'm going to look to see where the values of f prime are 0. So that's what I'm going to write down. Actually, this was a different method. I prefer this method. Either one will get you the points. But I prefer to remember that the absolute min of f has to occur at the endpoints of f, or where f prime has a y-coordinate of 0. So the first thing I write is f prime has a y-coordinate of 0 at these two x-coordinates, and that will earn me 1 point. I don't actually think you have to have written this part to get the point. I think as long as you have this, you will get the point. Then I've got to go figure out, okay, that means the minimum value of f could occur either at this x-coordinate, the very left end, this x-coordinate, the very right end, or at the x-coordinates where f prime is equal to 0. So I've got to go find 4 different values of f, not f prime, 4 different values of f. Well, they helped out quite a bit because we already found f of -6 in part A. We already found f of 5. They tell us f of -2. So I just have to use the fundamental theorem one more time to find f of 2 itself. So at x equal -2, the value of f is 7. The integral from x equal -2 to x equal +2 of f prime will calculate how much f changes from x-coordinate of -2 to x-coordinate of 2. So from an x-coordinate of -2 to an x-coordinate of 2, f prime is always negative. That means f's going to be going down. So at x equal -2, the value of f was 7. Then for the next 4 x-coordinates, the value of f is going to go down because f prime is negative. The value of this area we've already found as well. That area was 2 pi. So 7 subtract 2 pi is the value of f when x is 2. I'm looking for the lowest value. Let's see. 2 times pi, that's like about 6. So this is about 1. This is going to be about 4. This is the lowest value of f. You have to show the integral, and you have to have the correct conclusion. If you have those, you'll get the 1 point. You wouldn't have to re-show these. These are already shown elsewhere. You don't have to show them again. 2 total points for that one. Usually absolute min problems are worth 3 or 4. This one was only worth 2. That's part 3C. Oh, I guess I could show this. An alternate way of doing this would be to tell the grader that because you're looking for the absolute minimum, you know that the absolute minimum of f could occur at the x-coordinate on the left or the x-coordinate on the right. Otherwise, the absolute min of f would have to occur at a relative minimum. And because f prime only changes from negative to positive at x equal 2, the only relative minimum is at x equal 2, which means you'd only have to compare 3 values of f. It doesn't really save you anything, though, because you already knew the value of f at x equal -2. That's given in the problem. So that is an alternate way of doing it to get the 2 total points. It just didn't really help much. The rest of the work is the same.